Hello, and welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding items under the investment. Investment items track individual assets or significant investments like equipment or property. They help businesses manage budgeting, financial planning, and asset performance efficiently. After logging in, go to Investment and select Items. The main table on this charming page displays the investment items and their respective values across different, significant dates. Add investment item. Click on the plus Add investment item button. Then enter the item name, then select investment. Then click the green button. Then you set the monthly cost of this item. Double-click on Sell and enter the cost, then press the Enter button. If you want to add an investment group, this feature allows you to categorize your investment items into organized clusters or create a new one. To add an investment group, click the plus Add Investment Group button, select the group, and then click the green button. You can also edit or delete this item name. Click on Item Name, then Edit Item Name, and click green button. Or if you want to delete this item name, click Delete icon. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible and will permanently remove the item from your records. Thank you for watching this video.